Hi, I'm Pratik Ghosh, ex-student of Assembly of Angels Secondary School 2016's batch. It's a moment of pride for me that my school, where I have spent the golden years of my life, is going to complete its 25 years. I'm grateful to be a part of this extended family of mine that has helped me not only to garner knowledge but also to become a good human being. On this eve of the grand Silver Jubilee celebration, I would like to congratulate Zaki sir, Saira ma'am, all the teachers, and every other person who played an integral part in this journey of our school. This school has given me a lot. The guidance I have got from all the teachers, the support and encouragement I got from them all the time in every aspect, be it in studies or other extracurricular activities, has helped in the holistic development of myself. The first thing which put me in awe of the school when I took admission here in class 2 was the greenery. The variety of trees which surrounded the school made us feel at peace and realize the importance of nature. I really miss the school days a lot. Every year we used to wait for the Children's Day, where our teachers used to perform for us, and at last the celebration used to end with a delicious biryani treat. Apart from that, every other events organized by the school gave the students a great amount of exposure. During this COVID time, the way the school has transformed itself digitally and is continuing to impart education to the students. Hats off to the teachers and the administration who adapted with the online system of education so quickly. Lastly, I want to say that no matter how many years it has been that we have parted from the school physically, but our heart still remains there, and hence we never say goodbye. So I would like to conclude with two lines of a song. कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Thank you.